Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to add store policies and legal terms on Shopify. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm going to need you to go to your computer browser, and once you're in the computer browser, go to the search bar right here and go to the Shopify website. That's www.shopify.com. So once you're in the website, you can automatically go to log in into your account, or just click on sign up now and get a free trial and enjoy your first month on Shopify for $1 on selected plans. And now with that being said, I already have an account, so I'm just gonna click on log in right here, and I'm gonna go to my store that I want to add my policies. So as you can see, once you're in the web page, or once you're in the dashboard on Shopify, all you have to do is locate settings right down below here. Just click on settings, and now it will go to your store details, and once you're in your store details, just scroll down until you see policies at the very bottom. So just click on policies right here, and right here you can now create a bunch of different policies, like your refund policy, your privacy policy, your terms of service, your shipping policy, and your contact information. Now all you have to do is create from template right here, and Shopify will automatically create a policy template for you. So there is a disclaimer right here before you go into creating a template. Is Shopify says that by using these templates, you agree that you read and agree to the disclaimer. So the disclaimer says that templates aren't legal advices. So make sure that you consult a legal advisor or a lawyer before you go into adding a refund policy or any terms of services that your shop needs. So with that being said, let's go ahead and create our template or our own refund policy. So as you can see right here, just click on create from template right here, and boom, automatically Shopify now creates your own template. So this refund policy is generally from Shopify. So once you agree to the terms and services from Shopify, automatically their policies will go into this template. So if you don't agree on, for example, a 30-day return policy, so you can just delete that one and make your own terms of refund policy. And the good thing about it is you can add it right here. So for example, to start a return, you can contact this email address, and please note that returns will need to be sent to the following address. So you can enter your own address right here. So I'm just gonna say Philippines right here, and they also added some damages and issues, so please inspect your order upon reception and contact us immediately if the item is defective, damaged, or if you receive the wrong item, so that we can evaluate the issue and make it right. So as you can see right here, once you click on the create a template, automatically Shopify will generate this one. So I think this is very detailed, and just make sure to edit some stuff right here. For example, right, the 30-day refund policy, if you don't agree to that statement, you can actually change this one. And of course, add your address right about here, and make sure that your email address is correct to avoid issues in the future. And next, once we have done that, we will just scroll down, and now we will make our privacy policy. Now, to create a privacy policy, it is the same with the refund policy. All you have to do is click on create from template. So as you can see right here, Shopify automatically creates your privacy policy. So as you can see, after reviewing this policy, if you have additional questions, want more information about our privacy practice, or would like to make a complaint, please contact us by email at this email right here. So make sure to add those very important informations, like your email address and your address right here. And next is the collecting personal information. So as you can see right here, when you visit the site, we collect certain information about your device, your interaction with the site, and information necessary to process your purchases. So once a certain customer will go into your site, they will be your website or Shopify will be collecting some information about the customers for privacy policy information. So with that being said, as you can see right here, the device information is the purpose of location. They have some source of collection sort kind of things, and a disclosure for a business purpose, and they also have a personal information collected. So as you can see, you can add or subtract any other personal information collected. You can add something like that. And the important thing is about once you create this template is to make sure to customize this and make it on your own. So that's about it for this privacy policy. And next is the terms of services. So once again, just click on create from template right here, and boom, there you have it. They already made a terms of services. So from my understanding is the terms of services right here is the Shopify terms of services. So once you signed up on Shopify and you just click on you agree to the terms of services from Shopify, automatically this is the terms of services from Shopify from my own personal understanding. And right here they have a lot of sections right here, so you can just read on this real quick. Or if you don't agree to any certain terms of services generated by Shopify, you can actually make this on your own. And that's the important thing, is to make this on your own and make sure that you agree to any of it. So as you can see right here, you can insert the trading name, you can insert business address, you can insert business phone number, you can insert business registration number, and you can insert VAT number. So next is for shipping policy. So as you can see under shipping policy, they don't have a template for you to create because this is very personalized and this is up to the seller or the store on what their shipping policy is. So make sure to add your shipping policy right here. So if you don't have a shipping policy, I highly recommend to search for the Shopify shipping policy right about there. Just click on this right here. As you can see, this is the Shopify shipping terms of services and their shipping policy. So just scroll on that real quick until you see the shipping policy option. And right about here, this is the shipping policy from Shopify. So once you scroll on that real quick, they have some essential shipping details for you to find, some clear and concise presentations, some order processing time, some domestic and international shipping options, some shipping cost, some local delivery and buy online pickup in store, and some transparency around returns, changes, and cancellations, and then lastly, some potential service interruptions. So as you can see right here, you can just copy this part right here. But I'm just going to copy this one. So this is just an example. I'm just going to copy this and of course paste this on my shipping policy page. So this is just an example. So if you don't want or if you don't agree to the shipping policy that Shopify has, you can actually go to ChatGPT. This is an OpenAI website and you can actually make a lot of content from here. So all you have to do is just send a command or a message from ChatGPT, and ChatGPT automatically gives you what have you asked them to do. So for example, right here, give me a shipping policy for my store called Blessings Brood PH. So I'm just gonna click on this and it will generate me a shipping policy. So for now, Shopify has created a shipping policy for me, like the ordering process and the shipping methods and time frames. And next is the shipping charges. So you can actually do that. So if you don't want to have, or if you don't want to copy the shipping policy from Shopify, you can actually have a shipping policy from ChatGPT. And as you can see, it is very much precise and it is very much detailed. So I'm just going to stop generating right here. So just make sure to copy this and just go paste this into your shipping policy. So next is the contact information. So right about here, just click on create from template right here. And boom, there you have it. The trade name is the Blessing Brood PH, or this is my store name, the phone number registered in your shop, and the email registered in your shop, and the address of your shop. And you can actually add a VAT number if you have one of those, and a trade number if you want. So just delete that if you don't have that one. And as you can see, we have added some bunch of different stuff for our policies. So once you have done that, just click on save right here, and you are now good to go. As you can see, store policies are saved. Now, if you want to add those store policies and make it visible into your online store, so I highly suggest to go to online store right here. So save channels, online stores, and go to navigations here. And once you're in navigations, you can add the policies on the footer menu and the main menu. So on the footer menu, your policies will be visible at the bottom. So I'm just going to give you a quick glimpse of what I'm trying to say. So as you can see, this is my store. So once I've added my policies in the footer menu, it will be visible right around right here. And if you add your policies on the main menu, your policies will be visible, I think, right about here. So with that being said, it's up to you where you want to add it, but it is the same process as well. So for now, I'm just going to add my policies in the footer menu. So just click on footer menu right here. And now just click on add menu item right here. And of course, click on this link right here and go to policies. As you can see, these are the policies that we have recently created. So I'm just going to click on contact information right here and click on add. And as you can see, the contact information policy has been added. Next is to click on add menu item until we have added all our policies right here. So next is the privacy policy. I'm just going to click on add. And next I'm going to add menu item. So this is a repetitive process, so make sure to follow what I'm doing. And next is the refund policy. Just click on add, and next is the add menu item again, and click on policies rather, and now the shipping policy. And lastly, you want to click on add right here, and lastly we want to add our terms of services, so right about there. And next, once you have done that, you can actually click on save menu. So once I go to my store, I'm just going to click on view your online store right here. And once I scroll down, there you have it. A contact information, privacy policy, refund policy, shipping policy, terms of services is now visible. So for example, I'm just going to click on the privacy policy right here. And as you can see, it will automatically go to my privacy policy that we just added right about here. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!